Corporate risk management policies and procedures have continually improved over time, but there are still opportunities for a fire to spread beyond control. The establishment and maintenance of safe conditions of work are no doubt the responsibility of management, but it is required that each employee follow prescribed safe methods of work.
We have several things that we do on a job related to fire protection. One of them is no smoking. And we post signage across the job. So that is one of the few things that will get them removed from the job permanently if they're caught smoking on the job.
Fire prevention is a huge part of construction. Depending on the task, certain preventions that need to be put in place.
Hot work in a building under construction is probably the main source of ignition because it happens frequently. It happens in multiple areas throughout the building, many times around combustible construction or debris and trash that hasn't been picked up.
Globules of metal can bounce many feet and you don't know where they are. And the welder or even the welder's watchman doesn't see that.
And I want to have the contractors have a plan in place on how to deal with that, how to mitigate any small fires they may have, making sure they have the extinguishing equipment available.
At the beginning of any day, a subcontractor that is performing hot work, for example welding, they check in with our site foreman's office.
We've got this hot work permit that's a 3-copy form. They fill it out, they take these top 2 pages, they leave them with us. They take the yellow card with them and they hang it in the area that they're doing the hot work. For us to kind of know big picture where we've got any hot work going on in the building, and it also helps after hours for our security guards, so they know exactly the area that it was happening at and just make sure that there's nothing suspicious going on.
There is fire watch as well. They basically have fire extinguisher located there with them. That secondary eyes of a welding inspector is also observing the process. So there's lots of eyes obviously during any hot work process.
Beyond hot work and smoking as fire hazards, other important elements to be considered in a fire safety plan include on-site food preparation, control of any fire of waste material, proper regulation of temporary heating equipment, and properly operated and maintained plant equipment and vehicles.